Have a unique style with every step you take when you wear these shoes by Dirty Laundry. They feature a synthetic upper with a round toe silhouette and wide open collar for easy slip-on. They have a mock toe design with a large silver chain detail going over the vamp, giving it a unique and stylish look you're sure to love. I would wear these with your favorite pair of denim and a nice blouse. Inside there is a textile and synthetic lining with a cushioned footbed to keep you comfortable all day. The chunky midsole adds to the look and gives the shoe more contrast. You'll also get a little over a 2-inch boost in height with the block heel at the back. It's all on top of a durable synthetic outsole that is textured to give you the best grip.